Hi everyone, welcome to IGCSE Maths. Here we have the topic choosing the perfect scale for graph. The graph consists of two number lines, the horizontal and the vertical. The horizontal line is the x-axis and the vertical line is the y-axis. And on x-axis, on number line is one's right side is positive and the left side is negative. And for the vertical line, the up one is positive y-axis and the down one is negative y-axis. So here we have the scale. And you have to keep that in your mind. In every graph, you can find this is small unit equal to 1 centimeter. Let's have a look. Here I have one more graph. See, I put the scale. See, every graph, maybe you have this kind of graph, not like this that I'm doing. So in every graph, you can find the small cube equals to 1 centimeter. So here is same. So now our scale is 2 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on x-axis. Every and each small cube is equals to 1 centimeter. So on x-axis, you can see till here is 2 centimeters. So I will going to write 1 unit as a at every 2 centimeter point. Here is 1, and then next is 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. And in the same way, on the other side, we'll take the negative values, -1, and then -2, and here -3, and then -4. In the same way, we will take the y-axis scale. Here they eroded 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So I will going to select this as 1 centimeter along the y-axis. So they said 1 unit. So 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, 5, till any number you want to do whatever mentioned in the table. Here we have another graph. This is the one. Here they are not giving any what we call any scale. They are not giving. So it's now difficult to select how to select. These are the easy number for selection. The scale along the axis, but on the y-axis we have the decimal values. So for choosing the perfect graph, it is very important. But how to select the perfect graph? Here we go. For suppose I have this graph, this is the graph and this is a table. Now you have to check the smaller integer and the larger integer. The smaller integer along the x-axis is 10 and the larger is 70. So first I try to take the 2 centimeter 2 small cube to the 10 unit. Why? Because our graph look more clear. Try to take the more cubes so our graph look more clear. But if we don't have a space, so and we have more numbers, for suppose this is n on 70, but our table maybe that is till 150, 200, and so on. So we have to select the smaller scale per any unit that is given. So here first I select 2 centimeter, that is 10, and another 10 unit, that is 20, and then 30, and then 40, and then 50. So this is end on 50 and our table is still 70. So that's why I didn't take 2 centimeter as a 10 unit. So I take here 1 centimeter as a 10 unit, and I put on every 1 centimeter 20 and 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Now it's time to check the y values, the smaller integer and the larger integer. Here we have the smaller integer is this and the larger is this. So according to this, here we have the decimal values 0.1 and the larger is 0.6. So here we have only the six numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here first I select 2 centimeters. So see a 0.1 and then on every 2 centimeter as I start putting the value 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6 till 0.6 is our table. So this is, and on the other side the negative value of y-axis. So in this way we are going to select the scale. We have another table. This is the table on the x-axis and this is the table on the y-axis. Let's have a look. In this table, they mention the scale. That's more easier now, selecting the scale for the given table. Here, first you need to check the smaller integer and the larger integer along the x-axis. So we have this 0.023 and the larger one is 0.08. So according to this, you are going to select 1 centimeter. Every 1 centimeter you have to take 0.01. So every 1 centimeter we need to select 0.01 and then 0.02 and 0.03 and 0.04, 5, 6, 7, 8 till here. If I select, if it is, they are not giving any scale. If for suppose I select 2 centimeter on every 0.01 unit, so 1, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, and 0.05, and it's not 0.05, but our value is still 0.08. So we cannot take 2 centimeter on every 0.01 unit. In the same way, along the y-axis, first we need to check the smaller integer and the larger integer here. And here they mentioned to every 2 centimeter, we need to take 0.1. On every 2 centimeter, we need to take 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and then 0.4, 5, and 6. And our value till 0.8. So here we cannot take this 2 centimeter, but they mentioned 2 centimeter, but it's not covering. Maybe you will take the other graph, so that will be enough for you to take the same table. If it will not go according to this, so you can change to the one set on every 1 centimeter. You can take 0.1 unit, 0.2 unit, 0.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. This is the end. So this is, in this way we can take the scale for the perfect graph, and there is number of ways people are using to selecting the scale. For watching my video. For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel.